When I went on a trip to Mexico with my family and my grandma, I found a beautiful animal eating a cereal. It looked like a frog. It was blue, black, and white, and had a frog face and toucan body. So I fed it fish and touched it. And I called it Froseatoucan because I was the first person who found the animal. I carefully observed Froseatoucan. It likes to eat deer and it lives in the Amazon. The Froseatoucan lives about 100 years. When I first saw Froseatoucan, I thought it was dangerous, but now I think it is cool.